Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is new videos and it also has new lesson. But before we getting in all lesson, I like to remind all lesson a little bit. All lesson. What did you learn yesterday? You learned what? I remind learn about someone, somebody, I want anybody, I want everybody. I hope hope you understand exactly or know exactly about it. How we use it, either a positive statement or negative statement or question statement. I hope you understood it. And now we're gonna learn about present simple. But before we learn it, I like to talk a little bit about how to speak like a native speaker. Both pronunciation, intonation. Most students, they always go to school, read book, read magazine, read newspaper. They always go to school, but your knowledge part of speaking English is very poor. They can speak English well, better, like a native speaker. Yep. Now back to our new lesson about present simple. What's the definition of present simple? Present simple is used to express the action or situation that happen again and again or repeat the action. Again, what's the definition of present simple? Present simple is used to express the action or situation that happen again and again, or repeatedly action. Let's take example form. Affirmative subject plus verb 1 mean verb infinitive plus object. We say present simple. We can know it when you read a book or read magazine or read newspaper. You will know, or you will understand about what's 10 that you're reading or that you're writing. For example, I work every day. I work every day. Or I go to school every day. I make money every day. He grab alcohol every day. If you want to sound more American, like a narrow speaker, speak polite or proper speech. You gonna say You gotta say he grabs at a call every day. Someone American grabs. She works every month. Every, not every day. Sound isn't like American. If you want to sound more American, you gotta say every day, every month, every time, every student. Yeah, the native speaker say it naturally. We grabs dinner every day. Grabs dinner. Grab dinners mean half dinner. Yeah. If you want to sound more American, speak like narrow speaker, speak fluently, speak smoothly, without stopping, without hesitation, both pronunciation and intonation. You follow me. Repeat up to me. We grabs dinner every day. More example. They learn English the same school with me. I work every day. Subject. Work. I work every day. Work infinity. More, let's take a lot more example. He grabs coffee every morning. Sound more American. He grabs coffee every morning, not drink coffee. Yeah. They would understand you. But if you want to sound more American, you gotta say he grabs coffee every morning. He grabs coffee every morning. I get up every day at 5 o'clock. I get up every day at 5 o'clock. What should we do? I get up every day at 5 o'clock. More example, they go out with their friends. They go out with their friends. Go out for what? Do something better. Do something good. He take care of his children. He take care of his children. He subject. Take. Yeah. Verb infinitive of his children. One more example. You go out with me. You go out with me. Let's go. Do something good. Do something better. She makes money in the factory. She makes money in the factory. She makes money in the factories. She makes money in the factories. You know, present simple is used to express the action or situation that happen again and again or repeatedly action. That I can say that affirmative action. If you're affirmative to your others, they will love you. They will like you. I work every day. Affirmative is negative. Is an question statement. Affirmative. I work every day. I make money every day from mating. That happen again and again or repeatedly outside. But it's not finished yet. It is still happen again and again in your life. In your life journey. He grabs alcohol every day. She works every month to make money to raise their children or to raise his mother, his father. It's up to him. They learn English the same school with me. For example, high school, secondary school, elementary school, the same school, university. Yeah, meet more. That's great. You are a fantastic person. I'm leaving you. I will not live without you. I know. Go to school, me. Yeah. Same school with me. Yeah. University, secondary school. So I hope you understand exactly or know exactly about grammar. Yeah. About 10 present simple. You gotta remember present simple. What definition? Yeah. Present simple is used to express the action or situation that happen again and again. Yeah. It's not difficult for you. Very easy to understand or easy to know about it. Yeah. Again and again in your lifetime, that your action happen again and again, and do it again and again, do it again and again. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video.